Guys, welcome back to another video of J Gamble Weather Eye, and today we have a new disturbance. What has the Atlantic gone into? So guys, as I talked about the last video, in the description I said that this season might be the most active, and so far it had 3 disturbances. 3. Last year right now it would have had 3. But basically, this is our 3rd disturbance before hurricane season. And so I'm going to read some information that the National Hurricane Center left for us. So it has a 20% chance of forming. It says, a broad area of low pressure accompanied by cloudiness and showers centered over by the Yucatan Peninsula is forecast to move westward over the southern bay of Campeche. Sorry if I can't pronounce that. During the weekend, some gradual development of the system possible through early next week, as long as it remains over water. Regardless of development, the disturbance will likely produce heavy rainfall over portions of southern Mexico during the next few days. Regular insurance of the, oh my gosh, I can't say words, of the beginning of the Atlantic hurricane season will begin at 2 a.m. EDT. So formation chance throughout 48 hours, which is 2 days, low 20%. Information chance through 5 days, it's low 30%. So guys, the GFS and the GFS won't work. So we are going to do the CMC model. So let's play it very slow. And let's see. So this is the area that we are watching. And it moves in. And then so it's right there. As it moves up, still 1-5 makes a little landfall. Then it's showing us that will happen, and then it'll just wander off in the East Coast. And then we just look out for, well, I don't think there's going to be any other storms. But basically what it's telling us is its highest pressure is going to be 998 when it makes landfall. That's what it's telling us. Now, I don't very agree with this, but let's go to more models. So this model shows us that the tropical disturbance is right here. So we're watching this area very slowly. So nothing really happening. It's just some rain. And then some heavier rain. And then you see that's the tropical disturbance. And then, yeah, it's just right there. I don't know what they're doing with it, but it's just going to end up in like heavy rain. The NAVGM model is saying that it's not going to form until a tropical storm or a hurricane. So right now we are looking at the icon, and this one actually looks a little more realistic. So let's play it very slowly now. So this is going a little fast. So it's just going to end up in heavy rains. That's what the icon model showing us. It's just going to make landfall in Mexico. Oh, no. Okay. So it's just showing us that it's going to make landfall in Mexico and then come back out and then make landfall again. And then, yeah, I don't know where this is heading. But basically, yeah, I don't know where that's heading. So let's see other models. Oh my gosh, I don't like this model. But the what is this model anyway? JMA does this, which I don't know what this stuff means, comment below what it means. I'm very behind in this. We play a little too fast. Basically, what it's saying is it's not going to form. So that's what it's saying. And finally, the WW3 model. So it's going to go back in time to May 28th. So we're going to play this. Now just watch the little arrows in the colors and just watch how they change, how the colors change. And I don't really know how to predict on this, so I don't know how to predict on this thing, but it's just saying that it's like the storm is just like going north, so it's going all over the place, and then it just does that. I don't know what that means. I think that means that it's not going to form. Anyway, sorry. So it doesn't say that it's going to form. It just does that. What is that going to do? Ooh, and I, ooh. So, ooh, and I, ooh. Oh, wow. So it says it's going to form, make landfall, then come out, and then make a Texas landfall. Ooh, no. And I, ooh. Oh, and then what? Okay, so I don't, what the heck just happened? You see, what the heck? I don't even know what just happened. You know, I'm so confused. But basically what it's saying is, oh yeah, I don't know what it's saying. Basically saying that's not going to form. Okay? Okay, comprende. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Ooh, what's this? Okay, we're going to watch that area. But hopefully, guys, you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, ring that bell so you can get some notifications that I upload. And be prepared. And bye, guys.